We lived in Florida back in the 1990s, but somehow we barely scratched the surface of what the state has to offer. Decades later, I'm making up for lost time with pure delight. Every trip feels like rediscovering a place I thought I knew. And this one left me stunned, giddy, and already planning the next visit. This time around, we had the perfect chance to compare two of Florida's heavyweights, the Tampa Bay area and Orlando. Which one comes out on top? The honest answer is, you don't have to choose. They each deliver their own brand of magic. Tampa Bay wins when you crave the ocean, with its string of gorgeous beaches and vibrant coastal towns. Clearwater, St. Pete, and Sarasota among them. The options feel endless. On this trip, we headed to Fort DeSoto Park and found something close to a paradise. The beach was pristine, the sand soft and white underfoot, and the crowds almost non-existent. We walked for what felt like miles, with only the sound of gentle waves and seabirds for company. It was a kind of peaceful, romantic solitude that makes you want to hold hands a little tighter and forget about time. American train. That's why.
Please, back up. Thank you. Ron take that. All right.
And then there was the wedding. Tucked into the middle of the trip was a beautiful ceremony that brought everything together. Watching two people we love start their new chapter against a backdrop of palm trees and golden light felt like the perfect punctuation mark on our Florida adventure. The celebration blended the relaxed coastal vibe of the region with genuine warmth and reminding us that the best trips are just about places. They're about the moments and the people, especially seeing old friends again.
So we just got here, it's like past 1 o'clock, and they closed the spring because of lightning and thunder. And apparently they have like this sound catches lightning and thunder that if the system picks it up, it'll reset for every 45 minutes. So we're gonna have to wait for another 45 minutes or so. Well, there's another thunder, it just reset, so.
Well, at least it did wait 30 minutes and
But
then reset.
go ahead, there's a big fish right there on the.
Shoot for $5.
Orlando, on the other hand, surprised us with
Yep.
with its natural side. Yes, the theme parks are world famous, but we were drawn to the springs and rivers instead. On a sweltering afternoon, we embraced pure laziness and went spring river tubing, floating down the crystal clear, refreshingly cool water, while lush greenery drifted by was the ultimate way to beat the heat. We laughed, splashed, and occasionally just closed our eyes and let the gentle current carry us. It was simple, joyful, and deeply restorative.
The beginning of the spring. There's a lot of springs coming out. Look, sorry. Agnes. 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 Babe. Way down there. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, my back.
Suerte socia, ahora que nos salva.
bask in the sun on a quiet beach, drift lazily down a spring-fed river, or dance the night away at a heartfelt wedding. Both Tampa Bay and Orlando deliver in their own wonderful ways. Florida, consider us officially hooked all over again.